Hello everyone, thanks for watching Alata61. Today we will look at the all new Audi S3. This color is called the Mythos Black and this color combination looks fantastic. In total it produces 310 horsepower, 0 to 62 in just 4.8 seconds. It is a gorgeous car. I really like the aggressive quad exhaust at the back. The interior is also completely new. The MMI is slightly towards the driver. The shape of the seats are fantastic. I really like the S logos integrated in them, and I was always a huge fan of the Audi Virtual Cockpit. Now it's up to date. The engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder inline turbocharged petrol engine. It produces 310 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. It has also the quattro all-wheel drive system. Now let's take a closer look. This color is called the Mythos Black. It looks fabulous. It has the beautiful new LED headlight system, matrix LEDs, with the daytime running lights, and when you start the car it has a light animation. I love the S3 logo. It has also the radar for the adaptive cruise control. The front bumper, the grille, is special for the Audi S3. I love the big air intakes and the glossy black details. It comes with the 5-spoke S3 rims with the red brake calipers. Again, the S logo on it. Looks fantastic. It has the beautiful spoiler, the tinted rear windows, the panoramic sunroof, which I will show in a minute. And of course you can also buy it with the 360 degrees camera system. This car has also the automatic parking system and the blind spot assist. And the Audi S3 has also the quad exhaust. The S3 has quad exhaust, the RS3 has dual oval exhausts. I think this looks also really good. The rear taillights are also new. The diffuser is new. It has also the rear view camera, by the way. The design of the rear LED taillights are fantastic. Very classy done and sporty. It has also automatic trunk, by the way. The details around the rear bumper are fantastic. It is also a very practical car. Does 0 to 62 in 4.8 seconds and has a limited top speed of 250 km per hour. The fuel economy is 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers and the car weighs 1475 kilograms. The trunk space is 325 liters. When you fold the rear seats down it's 1145 liters. I love the automatic trunk. The interior is also fantastic. And we are now in the driver's seat of the all new Audi S3 Sportback. The exterior looks really good, but the interior is also fantastic. Look at the materials, look at the design. Amazing interior. The start button has the red accent, more over that in a second. Now it comes with the S-line steering wheel. I love the S logo. You can also buy it with a flat bottom design steering wheel. It has also the F1 shift pedals, nice perforation on the side. I like the white stitching and the chrome details, of course. Now it has the Audi Virtual Cockpit with different views. 4 different menus available: the navigation, car settings, range, radio, phone settings, and so on. And of course you can do a full screen if you want, like this. High quality materials are used. Look at the pixels. Amazing. And of course it has the head-up display with the speed limiter, the safety systems and the digital speedometer. Of course automatic lights, automatic wipers are available. It has also the blind spot assist. This area lights up when there's a car in your blind spot. I don't know if you can see that. Amazing. Now let's go over the details. This is the night view. And of course it has also the Ambient lighting also in the back doors. The S-line seats with Napa leather and the S logos. Look at the Alcantara design in the middle. The seats are very comfortable, they have the leg extensions, and these are electronically adjustable. Over here you have the armrest, fully adjustable again. The storage area, the keys. Let me put it over here. It has the keyless entry and keyless go function. Over here you have the cup holders. You can use them like this, or hide them if you want. Over here you have the electronic handbrake, 12-volt power outlet. You can put your key over here. The gear lever is changed. As you can see, there's a small gear lever over here. Down for drive, up for reverse, and of course again double that for the sport mode. It has the park button over here. The start button looks gorgeous in my opinion. I love the red accent around it. This is for the volume adjustment, and you can close the MMI if you want. It has the wireless charging for your phone, connectivity, and of course the drive select with the different modes. For example, the automatic parking system button over here, the parking sensors, the hazards. You can turn off the start stop, ESP, and the drive select. With that you can choose between efficient, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. I will leave it in dynamic. Heated seats are available, 3 settings for that, for the driver and the passenger. It has an automatic climate control system. Car settings. The ambient lighting. You can adjust the brightness if you want. The colors, 30 colors available. I will leave it in red. Suits this S3 fantastic in my opinion. Made out of glass, this screen. Phone settings, music, radio, navigation. And of course this is the main menu, just like the Audi A6, A7, A8. You can read the news, the weather, store drivers. These are the settings. The language is available for the S3. And just look at the ambient lighting. Isn't this amazing? I love it. And of course it has the memory seats, 2-person setting, lock and unlock, automatic folding mirrors, heated as well. You can lock the rear doors. The storage areas are quite good. Trunk release over there, sport pedals of course. Beautiful, lovely done by Audi. It has the touch sensitive LED lights, huge panoramic sunroof, SOS button, rear lights,